morning. I'm Laura Schweizer at the WKRN.com alert desk. An assault involving a hairdryer led to a 26-year-old man's arrest just last night. Police say the assault happening back in October at a Trevecca Towers unit. 3 people were sitting in the apartment when 26-year-old Martis Horton walked into the room to have dinner. Responding officers say he and the victim then got into a verbal argument that escalated. At one point, officers say Martis grabbed a hairdryer, started swinging it, and hit the victim on the side of the head. Officers say she didn't have visible signs of injury, but she was taken to the hospital. Last night, Horton was charged with aggravated assault. For breaking news around the clock, head to WKRN.com.